so damn clever. The things we talk about when we get together. Some like to dance, some like to sing. Some spend the whole day laughing the clouds away. Bowling for dollars, the art museum, prehistoric dinosaurs, love to see them. A movie, a bike ride, a long walk, staying up late, having late night talks. All of my friends, all of my friends, friends to the end, forever. All of my friends, whatever. Chipping in on a lottery ticket, choosing lucky numbers, gonna win and take a holiday, gonna get away in a convertible down the happy highway. A day at the beach, a stroll in the park, a hug on the hill, a kiss in the dark, a poem that you read, the intimate part, being together even when you're apart. All of my friends, all of my friends, friends to the end, forever. All of my friends, whatever. You know it's I before E, except after C real soon, like the flowers in June. Late bloomers are welcome round here, where the party's always going on, going strong till the break of dawn. It's a sing-along, no sign saying when to come or go. The more the merrier around here, you know, it never ends. All of my friends, all of my friends, all of my friends. Forever. Thought of splitting up is never ever. Good times, bad times, in between. Having two friends means everything. Your silver, your gold, the new and the old, the ones you forgot and the ones you don't know. All shapes and all sizes, adventures and surprises, love and compromises. All of my friends, all of my friends, a help in a crisis. Talk about all of my friends.